Hi guys! Hello! Hi everyone! Hi there! How are we all doing? I hope you're staying strong, happy, and safe. I'm Jennifer. You can call me Jennifer. That's my name. Or Miss Jennifer. Or you could better address me as Tutor Jennifer, right? Because I'm a teacher, right? Yeah, Tutor Jennifer. Alright, so I know that look on your face. Is that an educational content? Yeah, it's an educational content. I get it. They're boring. Very boring. Super boring. But you know what? How about we do role playing? You pretend you're watching your favorite cartoon channel, and me, on the other hand, I'm going to try my very best to not be boring. Or at least to be as less boring as possible. What do you think? Okay, so having said that, okay, yeah, you won't read again. It's PrepclassNG, right? Okay, so PrepclassNG is an educational platform, an online educational platform that provides a confidence learning environment for the learner and the tutor. What am I saying? What I'm saying is PrepclassNG gives you an edge in today's world. That is to say that if you're struggling with certain areas of your academic pursuits and areas of school, we are here for you. Okay? We are here for you. We are humans. So we understand that we have strengths and weaknesses. And for your academic weaknesses, PrepclassNG is here to the rescue. Isn't that nice? Okay, so still on the topic of PrepclassNG to the rescue, I came across some past questions and I thought you guys would love it. I mean, they were English questions, they were just Ugo English questions, past questions, and I thought you guys would love it. Do I go on? Yeah, of course I should go on. Alright, so but before I go on, remember that this is a channel, so yeah. We need you to please subscribe to our channel, because if you subscribe to our channel, you get access to a loads of videos on different topics and subjects of your choice. So for those subjects that you have problems in, that you're struggling with, we are here for you. So please subscribe to our channel and you get free access to all of them. And of course, you get to also participate in our quizzes and know what's up with PrepclassNG. You learn more about us and learn with us. So subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to comment, okay? We need your comments. They matter a lot to us. So we need to know what you think. We need to know what you feel. We need to know the areas where you would need us to modify. We need to know the areas you'd love to know more about or learn more about. And don't forget to also share with your friends. I mean, we all play with our friends, right? So if we play with our friends, it's only normal that we also learn with them. Friends that play together, learn together. So please share our videos with your friends. Let's know what they think. Let's know what they feel. And let's all learn together. Alright, so yeah, that reminds me. Why do English language exams start with comprehension passages? Is it just me, or have you guys noticed? Most, if not all, English language exams start with comprehension passages. Who did that? Man, it's like a ritual. I wonder who did that. Well, yeah, here we have a comprehension passage too, so just pretend you'll enjoy it. Don't pretend, you'll enjoy it, trust me. So the comprehension passage, the instruction says, read the following passage carefully and answer the questions below. Okay, we shoot. Many years ago, babies were able to talk as soon as they were born. This made it very easy for their mothers to look after them whenever they felt uncomfortable in any way. These babies were not wise, and so they talked about anything they saw. If a man with one eye comes to the house, a baby would say, Go away, one-eyed man. And of course, the mothers had to apologize for these rude remarks. This made Asma, the creator of all things, very angry. He then decided to make babies dumb until they were old and wise enough to talk. Isn't that an interesting passage? Well, I'd say it's interesting. I'm sure it was for you too. I mean, I didn't know that babies used to talk years ago. I'm just learning that. So yeah, it's interesting. So let's answer the questions. Let's see what our questions are like. All right, so the first question says, what were babies of long ago able to do as soon as they were born? What were they able to do as soon as they were born? Our first option says they were able to talk, they were able to fight, they were able to walk, they were able not to talk, they were able to cruise. So which is correct? Let's see. So our answer is they were able to talk as soon as they were born. So the correct answer is they were able to talk as soon as they were born. At least that's what the passage says. So we can find this answer on the first paragraph, first and second lines of the first paragraph. Okay, so you could go back to it for clarification or anything else. Okay, so that's our answer. Option A, they were able to talk. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. And the second question says, babies of long ago were A, wise and respectful, B, intelligent, C, respectful, D, unwise and rude, E, none of these. All right, so what's the answer? Babies of long ago were unwise and rude. Exactly. They were unwise and rude, which is exactly the reason they had to make rude remarks about everything they saw. And this answer, we can find it on lines 4 and 5. Okay, so when you check the lines 4 and 5 of the passage, you will get your answer right there. As ready as a pancake. So that is it. Option D, unwise and rude. Babies of long ago were unwise and rude. Our third question says, what did mothers do when these babies made rude remarks? Loving mothers, what did they do? So option A says apologized. Option B says beat the babies. Option C said cried. Option D said insulted the babies. And option E says refused to feed their babies. What's the correct answer? Our correct answer is their mothers had to apologize. Yeah, that's what our mothers do. They always clean up after our messes. Yeah, they always clean up after the mess. Their mothers. So that's the correct answer. They apologized. And this answer we will find on line 7. So when you go back to the line 7 of the passage, you will find the answer. Alright, so that's it. Option A, correct. Apologized. Mothers apologized. So the fourth question says, according to the story, who is the creator of all things? Okay, option A says the babies. Option B says the mothers. Option C says Orisa. Option D says God. Option E says Asma. Okay, now I know that now, in the reality world, in the world of reality, in the real world here, we all believe in God. It's the Christians, right? We all believe in God. But then, according to the passage, who created all things? Well, in the story, the creator of all things is Asma. And this answer we can find on the line 8 of the passage. So when you check the line 8, you will find somewhere there saying that the creator of all things is Asma. Okay, so that's that for number 4. That's our answer. E, Asma, the creator of all things. According to the passage. Not here. Okay, so our 5th question says, suggest a title for the story. So if you were to give a title for the story, what do you think would be the most suitable title to give to the story? So option A says, why babies can't talk. Option B says, asthma the creator of all things. Option C says, the babies and their mother. Option D says, how babies were talking. And option E says, the unwise babies. Is that confusing? Is it just me, or is that a little confusing? Okay, let's look at it this way. Because the story is about why babies no longer talk, that's to say that the babies used to talk. At least that's what the story told us. The babies used to talk. But some way, somehow along the line, the babies no longer talk. At least the babies of nowadays, we all know, do not talk, right? They don't talk. So I think a suitable title would be Why Babies Can't Talk. Don't you think? I mean, a story that talked about how babies used to talk and how they suddenly no longer talk. I think it's only normal that you give it a title like Why Babies Can't Talk. Isn't it great? Alright, so we have our answer. It's correct. Okay, option A says Why Babies Can't Talk. That's our correct answer. Boom! And we are sadly at the end of the video. Yeah, we've come to the end of the video. So do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Okay? So there's so many things to do. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. So we want to know what you think. Your opinions matter a lot to us. So we want to know what you think. We want to know areas we want to learn more about. And we love you to share with your friends. Let's all learn together. So you can reach out. You can reach out to PrepClass. You can go to our website via www.prepclass.com.ng. You can also call our line 090-3532-1117. Isn't it just easy? We're just a phone call away. Yeah, phone call away. So whatever it is you want to learn about PrepClass, we are here. I sound like an advertising agent, right? Yeah, that's okay. So really, seriously, jokes apart, on a more serious note, I look forward to learning more with you guys in our successive videos, because trust me, there is so much to learn, there is so much to find out, and there is so much to explore. So we are here. Learn with us, okay? So stay happy, keep staying strong, and of course, stay safe. Okay, so take care till we meet again